Your car needs an accurate diagnosis for a perfect repair. Molina Auto Repair and Body Shop specializes in diagnosis and repair vehicles, starters, brakes, shocks, springs, tune-ups, and emission tests. We specialize in all type of transmission, engine repair, electrical service, and all type of mechanical work. At Molina Auto Repairs and Body Shop, we have a professional staff and modern technology to guarantee 100% of all our services. Molina Auto Repair and Body Shop offers a complete computerized free diagnosis for any vehicle. Molina Auto Repairs and Body Shop, security, service, and quality.